Welcome to Game Development Mastery in 62 Days. Together, we will embark on a powerful journey, one that takes us from being curious learners to confident creators in the game development world. This course is our launchpad into game development. In just 62 days, we will build skills, create real games, and grow together through hands on learning. Let's turn our passion into progress, one day at a time. This journey is designed for all of us, whether we are beginners, indie devs, artists crossing into coding, or students looking to stand out. If we are ready to build games, this course is our starting point. From the first line of code to the final game build, we will master C Sharp, deep dive into Unity, design assets, and understand publishing pipelines. We are not just learning tools, we are learning how to think and build like game developers. Here's our toolkit. We will code in C Sharp, C++, and JavaScript, build in Unity, experiment in Unreal, and explore Godot. Design with Blender, Figma, and Photoshop or GIMP, and manage our projects using Git and GitHub. These tools will become second nature to us. Our path is structured in four focused phases: foundations, 2D development, 3D creation, and advanced game systems. With each passing week, we will unlock new skills, dive into real projects, and bring our ideas to life. We believe in learning by doing. Throughout this course, we will create platformers, endless runners, 3D adventures, and more. Every project adds to our portfolio and our confidence. By the final day, we will have a polished capstone project, multiple smaller games, and a GitHub ready portfolio, and a strong grip on the tools used across the game industry. We won't just know game development, we will be game developers. Let's begin with curiosity, grow through practice, and end with mastery. Day 1 is waiting. Together, let's build something amazing.